Welcome back to our channel where we provide invaluable insights into the world of real estate. In today's video, we will dive deep into the significance of comparative market analysis called as CMA for sellers and buyers. Hi, I am Suma Sridhar, realtor and real estate broker in the Bay Area. Whether you are selling your property or searching for your dream home, a CMA will be your guiding light throughout the process. Let us kick off by understanding what a CMA is and why it is crucial for real estate transactions. A comparative market analysis is a comprehensive report prepared by real estate professionals. It examines recent sales of similar properties in a specific area, equipping you with essential market data and property value assessments. For sellers, a well-executed CMA is an indispensable tool in determining the accurate price for their property. Overpricing can scare away potential buyers, while underpricing might result in missed opportunities. By analyzing comparable properties, a CMA empowers sellers to set a competitive listing price that attracts interested buyers. On the buyer side, a CMA serves as a compass to navigate the market. It provides buyers with a deeper understanding of property values, market trends, and fair market prices. Armed with this knowledge, buyers can make confident decisions, craft strong offers, and negotiate effectively. What makes a CMA powerful is its consideration of various factors beyond the physical attributes of a property. It takes into account location, recent sales activity, market trends, and property condition, providing a holistic evaluation of its value. Remember, while a CMA offers valuable insights, it shouldn't be the sole determination of a property's value. Rely on the expertise of a real estate professional who can interpret the data and provide accurate assessment tailored to your specific property and market conditions. In conclusion, unlocking the power of comparative market analysis, popularly called as CMA, is crucial for both sellers and buyers in the real estate market. Sellers can set the right price to attract the buyers, while buyers can make informed decisions and negotiate confidently. Don't underestimate the significance of a well-prepared CMA in your real estate journey. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable real estate contents. And as always, feel free to leave any questions or comments below. I am Suma Sridhar, real estate broker in the Bay Area with a tradition of excellence and integrity. I love what I do and people love what I do. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day.